I made my money doing challenges. What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. I'm about to go DoorDashing for a couple hours today. My first day went pretty good, to be honest. It went better than I expected. I was able to do, I think, $60 or $65, somewhere around that, in about 3 hours. So that's pretty good. Today, I wanted to spend some more time doing it. So I'll try to go for about 5-6 hours. Just so you guys could get an idea of what to expect on like a full shift. I'm actually driving to a restaurant right now. It's like 2 minutes away from my neighborhood. I live by a lot of restaurants. It's about 12:30 right now. It's the afternoon, it's lunchtime. They say right now my area is busy. So my first order came in. Let me pull it up here. It's at Chili's. So it's $6 and it's 7 miles away. I'm not gonna do that order because that's kind of far for $6. I wanna avoid certain orders. Stay in your area, don't go too far out. Getting a lot of bad orders right now. The orders are coming in, it's just that they're not making sense. This one is $4.25 to go 9 miles. I'm not doing that, that's too far for $4. I'm gonna accept this one. It's 2 orders, Wingstop and Denny's. Wingstop have you waiting. Well, it's not busy right now. Cause I know usually I eat at a Wingstop and sometimes they'll have us waiting like 20 minutes. Even the Postmates people have to wait too. I just completed my first order and boy, one thing about DoorDash, they gonna have you walking. I just had to go up 4 stories, no elevator. It's like a hotel. Let me show you. I had to walk up those stairs. My next delivery is an apartment as well. It's good though. It's a nice little workout. I'm getting in shape. I'm going to the gym afterwards anyway, so it's not bad. I'm not complaining. McDonald's will have you waiting. The line at McDonald's is always long. Most of the time it's long because there's more people doing DoorDash and people love McDonald's. It's America's favorite restaurant. So I just delivered that McDonald's order to another complex. Guess what? I didn't get lost. So far, I've been getting orders coming back and forth without even having to go to a hot spot. I know a lot of guys on YouTube, they'll say, don't do nothing less than $7 or $6. I'll say just do what works for you. Don't listen to them. If it makes sense for you, then go ahead and do it. Just completed my 4th order. And I got a new order coming in. Hibachi. Where is this going? Okay, this is not going bad. It's $6 and I know exactly where this place is. So I'm just gonna accept it. I just got another order at the same restaurant, so they're gonna stack it. I'm gonna have 2 orders at this restaurant. So far, all my orders been ready except one. I had to wait like a minute or 2. But that's not a big deal. I'm about to pull up right here. I just picked up those 2 orders from the same restaurant. I did have to wait about 3-4 minutes for the second order. Hopefully it's not no apartment complex because it's a lot of food to be carrying up some stairs. It's like 2 big bags of food. Picked up 6 orders already and it's been like an hour and a half. So I'm headed to the second order from that stack order I got just now. This second order, it ends up being 15 minutes away from my last location. So I'm going to be doing quite a drive. They say this order is $9.75. Just completed that 15-minute delivery. And as you can see, they gave me a $7 tip. But look how much DoorDash paid. They paid $2.75. That's ridiculous. I thought the base pay was $3. Let me know in the comments what the base pay is if you guys know. I'm at $39.75. It's been about 2 hours. I'll say exactly 2 hours. And another thing is that it's not peak hours. Yesterday when I was doing it, it was +1. I was getting an extra $1 per delivery. So orders coming in. Let me see what this is. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Go in right by my apartment. So I'm gonna take this one because it'll bring me home. I'm not going home, but it'll bring me to my neighborhood. This is a nice neighborhood. I have another order at Five Guys. This one is far. There's no Five Guys in your area. The 8 miles is too far for $7. So far, I've been dashing for, I'll say, about 2.5 hours. I'm at $46. I'll do 3 hours, then I get a break, and I'll do another 3 hours. The break gonna be like 10-15 minutes. I'm officially 3 hours in. I'm about to take a break. I'm kind of hungry right now. And dash. 3 hours, I'm at $52 in 3 hours. My goal is to do another 3 hours. Just got back off break. I'm about to do some orders at Popeyes right now. I got 2 orders over there waiting on me. As I was about to head to Popeyes to go pick up the orders, I got a notification from DoorDash saying that the order was canceled. I get half the guaranteed amount, so that's kind of good still. Do cut down the total amount I was expecting. I think I was expecting $13, and now it's at $8. And then the other half guaranteed, I'm not sure how much that is. Could be probably $2. I got the food. I'm about to do a pickup right now at Gator Dogs. I just got an order for 2 people. I'm doing a stack right now. It's not bad. It's 2 orders for $17. About 8 miles in total. And I just got a notification from DoorDash saying that my area is busy. I'll get an extra $2. Right now, it just hit 5 o'clock. So from 5 to 9 is peak hours in my community. And earlier, I started at 12:30, and I was not getting no extra bonus. So now it's 5 o'clock, and I'll start seeing more. I'm still doing orders. It's 6 o'clock right now, and I got an order right here at Metro Diner, across the street from where I'm at. So I just got an order came in for Marco's Pizza, $9, 6 miles. Where's it going? Let me see if it makes sense. And my goal for today is to meet the promo deadline I have in my area. My community having a promo that said if I completed 20 rides from Friday to Sunday, I'll get a $100 bonus. Right now I'm on my 19th ride. If I do one more delivery, that should be 20 for 20. And I'll see how that bonus works. I'll see if it's true. I'll see if it come out, and I'll let you guys know. If I do get that bonus, that'll be great, because that $100, it makes a big difference. I don't think it's for every community. I think maybe it's for my community, because I live in a small neighborhood, and it might be low on drivers, whereas a bigger community, they don't have to do those type of promotion because they don't have an issue with drivers. Just dropped off that box of pizza from Marco's. That was a good order. I believe that was like $9. There's a $2 extra delivery fee going on right now. I just got the confirmation from DoorDash that I completed 20 orders, and they sent me a congratulations, you earned $100. So I got 2 orders right now at the same restaurant at 2J's Deli. I've been driving for about 6 hours. So today was a good day. That bonus really helped. And then the thing with a bonus, right? 20 orders isn't a lot. You can do 20 orders in one day if you really put that work in. It's 7:20 right now. I've been driving for over 6 hours, maybe 6.5. These might be my last ones. It depends how the night goes. If I get a big order, I'll do it. But if nothing big comes in, I'll just go home, call it a day. I'm about to do 2 pickup right now at Subway and Five Guys. They're basically across the street from each other, and these are right in my neighborhood, so I'm familiar with the area. We knock these out real quick, and when I'm done, I'll let you guys know how much I made and tell you guys about that little bonus I got. Stay tuned. Make sure you watch till the end. And make sure you like and subscribe, man. I need that support. Alright, I'm gonna make these 2 deliveries real quick. And I'm gonna let y'all know if I'm gonna keep going. If not, I'll let you guys know how much I made. So as you guys can see right here, I made $76 in 3.4 hours. This week, I made $442, and I only worked 8 hours, and I dashed 9 hours and 47 minutes. The DoorDash paid me $98 for 24 deliveries, I believe. The customer tip, $91. So the customer tip in DoorDash is about the same. Yesterday I made $60, and I only worked 3 hours. That's about $20 an hour, which isn't bad. And today I did 2 separate shifts. So I did a first shift. I started at 12:28, but I was declining a lot of orders. I didn't actually start. I ended that shift at 3:49. I did 8 deliveries and I made $52. That's not bad. So the reason why this is kind of lower than yesterday, because yesterday I did three hours, I made like $60. It's lower because yesterday I was doing peak hours. I was actually getting a bonus, $1 every order. So these 8 orders, that would have been an extra $8. So it would have came out to $60.88 if I was doing a peak hour. I started back at 4:26. The 9 deliveries, I made $76. It was $60 plus 50. That's like $110. And at 70, that's about $180. So I say about $188 came from dashing itself. Within those 9 hours, I made my money doing challenges. The challenge was supposed to be, if I do 20 orders, I was supposed to get a $100 bonus. But they ended up giving me $100 and $150. I'm not sure why that happened. I ended up getting 2 challenges. I got the one for $100 and the one for $150. And right here you see $250. I believe that's for cancellation. I did have a customer cancel out on me. Pretty much done for the day. I made about $442. As I've shown you guys, the way I was able to make $442 is by doing challenges. Within those 2 days, I was able to do 24 orders, and they gave me the extra $100 bonus. But out of nowhere, they end up giving me an additional $150 too. I'm not sure where that came from, but hey, it happened. So that's how I was able to make $442 in 9 hours. That's about $40 an hour. It's not normal. I know it might happen in you guys' neighborhood too, or surrounding areas, but I'm not sure how it works. I just know that it was a promo going on, and it was pretty simple. 20 orders, you can do 20 orders in 1 day. You guys should definitely look out for that promotion going on in your neighborhood. Look out for that challenge. In 20 orders for $100 is definitely worth it. I did it, and look how I got blessed. I ended up getting an additional $150. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. I just wanted to bring you guys along of my DoorDash journey for the day, or for the weekend, I should say.